Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Reasons why I love sewing. A sewing machine is used to stitch the fabric and other pileable materials together with trends. Pwede pong makagawa po ito ng basahan, coin purse, pwede po ng ponytails, scrunchies, pwede din po headband, towel, pwede rin po ito for mga face mask, panyo, pwede rin po ito sa terno, t-shirt and short, sa mga underwear, bra, panty, brief. Very useful po ang sewing machine. It can relieve stress and anxiety para mabawasan po yung pagkabalisa, naghihikayat ng maayos na pag-iisip, improve hand-eye coordination, attention to the details. Next is sewing machine requires creativity, improves brain ability. Nagpapabuti po ito sa kamalayan, pagiging malikahain po. Sewing is very useful. Walang katapusan po ang mga posibilidad sa platform. Learning sewing and stitching allows you to reach your creativity and imagination, freedom to design and create unique garments, accessories. It also enriches lives in practical, creative, and social ways. Educational opportunity din po ito. Sewing teaches you important skill like patience, precision, and problem solving. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe. Gracias.